Today we'll talk about how can you enable the feature how I lock on your Getcontact app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on menu down here, and you just click here on menu. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then just click here on fit settings. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on how do I lock, and here you enable it in this sign. Click in this sign, like you see this color show for us. That's mean here the future how do I lock enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.